Three, two, one. Hi there, it's Lawasi Commodities. I'd love to thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy you're here watching this video. And I want to talk to you about using the rocket booster on the commodities market. Now, I had to search for the commodities market because I want to make this video shorter. But before we go on, I'd love to thank my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, Timothy Sykes, Matthew Crater, Andy Turner, Mike Maloney, and all these people. I'd also love to thank TradingView. You can find these people's books on Amazon Kindle. Now, let's get into the weeds here. Now, I think in the previous video I showed you the rocket booster strategy and how to scan for stocks using the rocket booster strategy. And I used the same strategy, the rocket booster strategy, to find this one here. So thank you to TradingView. I used the following indicators. So the first indicator that I used was this one, which the 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, which I created using Pine script, and it gives a sell indicator here and a buy indicator if it goes the opposite direction. The second thing that I did is I used uh, the DI. Now, if you want, you could also use this one here. So shout out to H Potter who created this indicator, which changes color. So you could use H Potter's indicator if you want. Okay, so H Potter, thank you. So I put that there, and then I come here using the ADX DI. All right, shout out to the creator of this indicator. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Pine script right here. If you click this, these brackets here, that's a Pine script. So you can actually edit the code. I think you can edit it anyway, but I wouldn't advise you to edit the code. All right, so and then the final one I would use is this one here, which is the directional moving index. So as you can see, it's above the 30 level, which is my favorite level. So if you look at the ADX is this blue line, by the way. So if you look at it right there, that's a very good key level, and it shows that it is in an up, it is in a downtrend. This commodity is in a downtrend. So I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to rocket boost this video, show me some support. My disclaimer is, do not buy what I tell you to buy, do not sell what I tell you to sell. Do your own research before you trade. I would love to thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.